In this video, I'm going to explain how to return a reticle using the Reticle storage software system. I'm going to go ahead and click on Return here and Enter. And I'm going to barcode my box that I want to return. And it gives me some information up top. It gives me the pattern ID of that box. It gives me the box ID and the fact that it's been checked out for logistics. And it says that I can go ahead and return this box to any empty slot, although it does recommend a slot. Now, the reason it gives me a recommendation for a slot is the reticle storage system might be 99.9% full, and trying to find a slot would be very difficult without the assistance of the computer. So we get a recommended slot here, and I may or may not elect to use it. Before I move forward with returning the reticle, I'd like to point out this map it function here. I'm going to click on it and enter, and it gives me a really nice graphic overview, top-down view and in face view. What we're looking at here is this specific site plan, which consists of some standard single racks that are stationary racks, and they would be rack A and L, and then also a bunch of moving racks. These systems are moving on rails back and forth depending on the control system. So here we're looking for rack J3, column 3, slot 16. So J3, column 3, which will be illuminated, make it real easy for an operator or somebody to see it. And then we would go and look at the physical address written on the side for slot 16, and that's where we know where to return our reticle. Now moving on, I'm just going to go ahead and barcode a slot that's easy for me. I'm going to go ahead and pick a slot in rack A and barcode it. And it accepts the transaction, the database is happy, and the verification is successful. Notice that the slot recommendation turned red. It just indicates that we didn't use that particular recommendation. Not a big deal. But we did return to rack A1, slot 9, and everything is fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and click enter, and we're back to our main menu, and returning a reticle is as simple as that.